Hi guys, Liam from Liam Kilburn and ZenYogaHealth.com. Just a few uses of the long foam roller today. I'm always advising people to get these and to use them, particularly sports people, but also very useful for folks who tend to get musculoskeletal pain. So great for a deep tissue massage at home. And the three uses I will demonstrate today will be for the back of the neck slash the base of the skull, the outer part of the thigh, so the IT band and the TFL that covers the outer part of your hip, and then to your back, covering the upper back in between the shoulder blades down through the paraspinal and down into the lumbar spine. So let's take a look and see how it goes. Okay, so just lie down with the back of your neck on the foam roller. This is going to give you a great deep tissue massage. All you need to do is turn your head slowly from left to right or from side to side. It doesn't look like a deep tissue massage, but in fact it is very targeted to the small sensitive muscles at the back of the neck that connect onto the base of the skull and tend to cause headaches and other tension related issues. So this is a terrific way to give yourself a really safe and targeted deep tissue massage to the back of your neck, and the foam roller is just the perfect texture to do this. So you can do that as long as you like, as long as it feels comfortable. Let's come to the upper back and the paraspinals next. So you want to put your shoulders up on the foam roller, then lift up your hips. In order to get in between the shoulder blades, let's bring the hands together, interlock your fingers, put a little stretch in between the shoulder blades so that you can get the rhomboids and the middle trapezius, lower trapezius. Then you can go further down as far as you like. Here I'm coming a little from side to side, you can see each time. So this is to get the paraspinals. That's that big thick layer of muscle either side of the spine. Again, you can do that as much as you like. It really does feel like a deep tissue massage with your full body weight on there. For the lower back, you need to use your core a little bit. So just bring it underneath the small of the back. You can go from the mid back down into the lumbar spine. Feels absolutely terrific. The paraspinals are pretty thick there, so you want to, in general, avoid going directly across the spine. Your paraspinals might be thick enough that you don't actually touch the spine as you come back and forth over the foam roller. Better usually to roll a little from side to side. You'll also get the QLs, the quadratus lumborum there, and the transverse abdominis and thoracolumbar fascia that attaches all the way around to your lower back. Here I'm coming on to the hip, so TFL. You see I use the support of one leg, lift the other leg up, use your arms for support, roll back and forward. This feels absolutely terrific. It can be even a little, maybe too terrific, a little painful if you're a runner or a cyclist. To get a bit more weight, stack up the legs like this, you will really feel it. It can feel terrific, or if you've got a little bit of tension down through that IT band. Here I'm coming a bit onto the more front part of the thigh, onto the quad. It's tough to get right directly onto the quad itself. You can do it, but today in this little short clip we're going to focus on to the tensor fasciae latae, that's the TFL right up on the outer part of your hip and down through the IT band, and a little bit just onto the lateral part of the quad. Again, here I'm stacking up the legs to get more weight. So you can do that a few times, probably 2 or 3 times is going to be enough for most people. It's all you need. You can do it on a regular basis, or you could, again, here I'm just demonstrating the use of the other leg, top leg, to give a little bit of support. Oh, I guess I did it twice. Anyway, or you could do it after a run or after you've been training or working out, just to get some tension out of your legs. Okay, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed, and leave comments in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.